Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one, especially when you factor in that it started off very, very impressively. Price gapped up there, then made a move upwards, got as highs from there, and then it was like at that point somebody flipped the switch and the momentum just completely disappeared and down the price went. And not only did it fall back to that trend line, but it just broke down through that trend line and then just kept on going. So overall, very bearish day. And first, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of all these lines. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not relevant any longer. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. Sorry about that. I did something off screen and it apparently closed down the chart for a second there. But anyway, so as far as the first key level of resistance is concerned now, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, that's going to be right up there at $16.25. And this is just based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support. So right there, very clearly, that low was an area of support. But when levels of support are broken, and it was broken right there, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward, if the price does try to consolidate out and then come back upwards, that's the first question mark. Not necessarily can the price get back up to $16.25, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. If, like I said, there is any sort of attempted recovery. And then from the overarching standpoint, still all about that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. Currently valid, we'll just call that up around $17. But one hurdle at a time, that first key hurdle is going to be getting up above the $16.25 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, as you're seeing here, it has been a very, very, very long time since the price has been down at this location of the chart, with the next level of support now being down there right around the $14.50 mark. So overall, not a very good day at all, but still several days left this week, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.